Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Cambridge IGCSE October November 2024 paper 1 right. So that was latestly done. So let's see what question we have. First one here. Jacob is 10 years and 8 months old, right. Amy is 15 months younger than Jacob. So Amy is 15 months younger than Jacob. Find how old Emmy is. Now as Emmy is 15 months younger than Jacob, so 15 months makes like it's 1 year and 3 months. Okay, so Jacob is 10 years and 8 months, so we have to subtract 1 year and 3 months. So this gives us like 9 years and 5 months. So 9 year and 5 months is the correct answer over here. Now next one here, change 6.7 kilometers to meters. So as you know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 6.7 we are going to multiply it by 1000. So there will be 3 zeros and there is a 1 decimal place here. So 1 decimal place will remove 1 zero from here. That makes it 6700 meters, right. Now number 3, measure angle x. You just place your protractor on one of the lines, then you measure it is, I've already done that, this is 84, and as this angle is less than 90 degrees. So next question we have, write down the mathematical name of this type of angle. So as this angle is less than 90 degrees, so its name is acute angle, right. Number 4, a concert starts at 1950. It starts at 1950 and finishes in 2 hours and 42 minutes later. So work out the time the concert finishes. So we are looking for the end time. So basically this is the start time and after 2 hours 45 minutes it ends. So we are just going to add this one here. If you add this here, 2, 5 plus 4, 9, this is 21. So we have here we have 92 minutes. So we will subtract 60 minutes from here. So that gives us this 32 minutes, and that 1 hour that makes this 60 is going to be added over here. So that will make it 22. So this is 22, 32. This is the time when the concert is going to finish. Number 5, use one of these symbols to make each statement correct. Now as you can use your calculator to make these calculations. So 2 over 7, when you do this 2 over 7, it is 0.28576. So we have 0.28571. Another one on other side we have 0.2861 is this one here. So see this whole part is same and 28 is 0.28 is same. So deciding factor is here 57, here it is 61. So 57 is less than 61. So that's how it is going to be less than. And this 99 over 900, 0.11, 11 over 100 is 0.11, they are equal. Similarly here 1 power 3 is 1, 4 power 0 is 1, so they are also equal. Number 6, the stem and leaf diagram shows the number of cars sold each day by a company. Number of cars sold each day by a company. So we have here the key is 32 represents 32. Find the range. The range is, you know, that maximum value minus minimum. Maximum here is this one here, which make it is 54, right, and minimum is here 10. So 54 minus 10, it is 44. Find the mode. Now mode is the frequency that occurs maximum number of times, right, maximum number of times. So see which one out of here is going maximum. Like if you see, we can see here we have 7, 7 and 7. So that is combined with 2, it will become 27. So mode is 27. Find the reciprocal of 1 by 4. So it is going to be like, first of all you have to break this. This is 1 times 4 plus 1, that is 5 over 4 will remain as it is, and reciprocal we are just going to swap the numerator and the denominator. So this is 4 over 5. Number 8, we have a diagram here. The diagram shows a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a shape having 4 sides. Find the value of y. We are looking for this angle y here. Now, as you can see in this thing is not given actually. So, we can find out this. So, this is angle round a point. So, this is 360. So, then we will have this 360 minus 132. This is 2. 5 minus 3 2, 3 minus 2 is 2. So, this is 202 degree internal angle from here to here, right. So, now to find out the value of y, sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360, you know that. So, then just add these angles, is 299 plus y 360, and then you subtract 299, shift 299 to other side. So, y is 360 minus 299, it is 61. Number 9, Edith invests $3,000 in a saving account. The account pays simple interest at rate of 2.6% per year. Calculate the total interest earned. So, we are looking for the interest for 3 years. So, as it is mentioned that it is a simple interest, so we are going to use the formula of simple interest, which is PRT over 100. So, P is 3000. R is 2.6 from here, T is 3, then you just calculate and we get it 234 here. Number 10, these are the first 4 terms of the sequence 10, 16, 22, 28. Write down the next term in the sequence. So, we have to observe the pattern. As you see, it is increasing. 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 6 22. So, we are getting the next term by adding 6. So, 28 plus 6 gives us 34. This is the next term. B part, the term to term rule. Term to term rule for another sequence, not this one, another sequence is multiply by 3 and subtract 1. The fourth term of the sequence is 68. Find the third term. As we are moving left, so we have the fourth term and we are looking for the third term. So, we have to go reverse from here. So, this was multiply by 3, now it is divide by 3. Then it was subtract 1, now here it is add 1, right. So, we are going to go the reverse process. So, 68 was the fourth term. So, this was the fourth term. So, this is 68 plus 1 9. 69, then divided by 3 using this reverse rule here. So, this is our third term, right. So, 23 is the third term. Number 11, the circumference of the wheel is 198.55 centimeter. Calculate the diameter of the wheel, give your answer in millimeters. So, as you can see, the circumference of the diameter, the wheel is a circular, right, like this. So, we are given the circumference, which is one circumference is this outer layer. Formula is pi d, and we will substitute all the values and just get the value of d, is just direct calculation. But make sure that you see we have the unit here is centimeter, but answer supposed to be in millimeter. So, you have to convert this centimeter, this is centimeter here, we have to convert the centimeter to millimeters by multiplying it by 10, because 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters, right. Now, guys, if you are getting benefit of these videos, kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Don't delay to subscribe, please. It's a great support and it motivates us to make new videos. And write in the comment section if you need the PDF version of this paper. You can just write in the comment section, I will post it there. So, number 12, the grid shows half of a shape which has line of symmetry L. Complete the shape. Now I think you can, it's hard to, this was the actual shape given here. Let me write here. It was this, right. So, you have to reflect it on the other side. So, how we are going, this is line of symmetry. So, you see count 1 2 3 4 squares. So, you count 4 down, 1 2 3 and 4, right. From here then you have then you can take this point, like let us say this point is, and then there is this point, and here you see from here 1 2 3 units up, so we're going to get 3 units on the left hand side. Then you just join these lines, then you are going to get the shape after reflection. Now number 13, find the value of 6c plus 7d when c is 3 and d is -4. 6c plus 7d, 6 times substitute the value, c is 3 plus 7d, d is -4. Just calculate and it is -10. This one here is 6x, I shifted -11 on other side, and 4 is here, shifted 8 on other side, -8. This is -4, this is -5, and then divide this, minus gets cancelled, so we are left with only 4/5. Number 14, write 34 as percentage of 80. Now 34 is out of 80 times 100. So this gives us 42.5, just direct calculation, nothing else. A bus stops 25 times on a journey. The bus stops 25 times, right, during its journey. The table shows the number of people who get this bus at each stop. So number of people 1 2 3 4 5, and frequency is given here. Calculate the mean. So for mean you are going to just multiply this and this, then add all of them, and then this total frequency, it is 25, then we are going to divide. So 0 times 1 plus 1 times 6 plus 2 times 7, 3 times 4, 4 times 5, 5 times 2, we are done here over 25. Then just calculate and you get here 2.48, right. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys understood everything. Kindly subscribe and share it with your friends, and let me know in the comment section if you need the PDF file of this paper. Thank you so much, guys. Be blessed.